Firstly, add chocolate and butter in a bowl and melt them together. After melting butter and chocolate together, add condensed milk to it. After adding condensed milk, mix it well. Now add hot water and again mix it well. Now, after giving a good mix, shift all the dry ingredients in a bowl. After sieving all the dry ingredients in a bowl, mix dry ingredients with wet ones. Mix it well to form a smooth batter. Use whisk to avoid any kind of lumps in the batter. Now a smooth eggless chocolava cake batter is ready. After that, we pour the batter in the piping bag. And now we will pipe the batter in the silver cups which are lined in an aluminium cupcake tray. Now this lined tray will go into a freezer for half an hour so as to chill the batter. Now the batter got chilled and the tray will go into an preheated oven and will bake for about 12 to 14 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. After 14 minutes, we will take the tray out of the oven. And now, eggless chocolava cake is ready to serve.